Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find employee's gender. We have a salary table and we need to swap the letters on the sex column. M becomes F and F becomes M. In SQL we write an update statement together with case expression. We update salary table and we set column sex equals to the case expression. When sex equals to M, then we write F, else it's gonna be M, and we end the case statement. Let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we will use map function. We need to access the column sex and we map the values. We want M to become F and F to become M. And we are ready to return the result. We return the data frame salary. We need to output all columns in the salary table. Therefore, return salary is enough. Let's run the code. And we successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Update statement in SQL or map function in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.